Hello, and welcome to a video on how to add, edit, and delete tests as an instructor. As you can see, we are just here on the home screen right after logging in. We're going to go ahead and find the test button and select that. You'll be brought up to a whole new test page in where you can find the Add, Edit, Delete Tests button. After selecting that, you can then start by selecting a program where you can see all the books that have been added. Now this is where we can find our Add Book button, so we'll go ahead and select that. And from here, we'll just put in a title of a book, in this case, test book. Now you're going to go ahead and select the book you wish to add a chapter on, in this case, our test book, and we'll just add a brand new chapter. From here as well, you can put whether this chapter is a part of the final or if it's going to be graded at all. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and hit save. Now, once you're done there, you'll see two new icons appear, one of them being a edit pencil where you can change the name of your chapter, or a trash can icon in which you can just delete the chapter altogether. But we're going to go ahead and select it. And finally, here is where we can add our questions. Now you can either fill it out from what you have in your books, or you can add any question you like just by typing it into the first field here. After that, we have the last four fields, the first being your correct answer for the question, and the rest just being more multiple choice options. Now, you don't have to fill out every single option for you to save over a question. And once it is saved over, you'll see it here on this main page. So here we have what our question is, what is a test, and the correct answer for the question. Now you'll have the same buttons as before, an edit option where we'll go ahead and just add a third answer or a fourth. And we also now have the delete question option, which when you do select, it'll warn you first, but then you can go ahead and keep removing it. Now let's go ahead and show you kind of a bigger example. We're going to go ahead and go back to home, back into tests, and back into add, edit, delete. We'll select cosmetology. And if you wanted to remove a book and its whole, you can straight off the bat here. Let's go ahead and select one of these. As you can see, here are our chapters. Again, you can edit the name if you need to, but let's go ahead and look into one of these. So here's what it could look like once you've filled out all of the information for your question and all that goodness. That should cover on how to add, edit, or delete a test as an instructor.